Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Many of us are work-at-home moms, stay-at-home moms, or even work away from home moms. We get so busy that the last thing we want to do at the end of the day is think about cooking dinner. That's where your BFF, the Crockpot, comes in. Today I'm going to share one of our family's favorite recipes with you. Coca-Cola chicken. Coca-Cola chicken comes from one of, my props are falling on the ground, one of our favorite restaurant recipe books, The Bullock House Presents, is My Grandma in Your Kitchen. The Bullock House, just a little history on the Bullock House, is a famous restaurant in Warm Springs, Georgia. It used to be a historic home that was turned into a buffet-style country restaurant. It has the most amazing fried green tomatoes, biscuits, fried chicken you've ever put in your mouth. And of course, I have to speak about their 6-layer chocolate cake. Oh my goodness. The original home burned down 4 years ago, and they've reopened it in downtown Warm Springs, but it's one of my favorite restaurants. I haven't been to the new one yet, but the original one is one of my favorite restaurants. My mother-in-law actually purchased this cookbook for me for my birthday, and I treasure it. And so in that, I have the Coca-Cola chicken recipe. The Coca-Cola chicken is just delicious. It's versatile. You can serve it with anything. I am going to share the recipe with you. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below, and let's get cooking. So in the crock pot, I have 2 large chicken breasts. I've sprayed the crock pot with cooking oil. You're gonna need a cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, I really can't say that word that well, and 8 ounces of cola. So let's get started. What makes this recipe so amazing is how versatile it is. You can serve it with rice or mashed potatoes. It kind of makes a gravy. When it's all cooked together, it makes a gravy. It's amazing. It has a sweet, savory flavor to it. My children absolutely love it. Now, we went to the pool today, and I had to do feedback. So it's almost 4 o'clock, and I'm just getting dinner on in the crock pot. So usually I would do this first thing in the morning, but we got sidetracked by swimming, and I have several classes, so I'm just getting it on. Usually I let it cook all day in the slow cooker, but today I'm just going to cook it fast on high. You see it's bubbling up here. Okay, you're going to just pour it over your chicken. Again, you can see it makes the gravy. Turn your crock pot on high. On high. And give it about 4 hours, and dinner will be served. Okay, for dessert tonight, we are having the easiest dessert in the world to make, and my boys absolutely love it. 2-ingredient lemon bars. Seriously, all you need is a box of Angel Food Cake mix and a can of lemon cream. Easy breezy. So we start with the Angel Food Cake. Seriously, this is so easy. The hardest part will be opening the box. That's seriously the toughest part. Okay. You'll want to get the Angel Food Cake. And I'm wearing half of it now. You'll want to get the Angel Food Cake mix. That only requires water. Be prepared, the dust goes everywhere. Okay, you're going to take your cake mix. Let the dust settle here. Take your cake mix and add the lemon cream. And just dump the entire can in. Sometimes I have a hard time finding this, and when I do find it, I try to load up on 3 or 4 cans because we love it that much, and it's absolutely delicious. delicious. It's kind of a nice summer treat. It's refreshing. Anything with lemon is just signature summer. Okay, so you just take the lemon cream and fold it in to your Angel Food Cake mix here. Takes a little time. So we have it almost mixed. This just takes a few minutes of folding it in carefully. I'm just going to take it and continue to fold it in. I think we're pretty good. And it has a nice fluff to it. So it's going to be easy. Okay, so our pan is sprayed. Our cake is in the pan. It goes in the oven, 350 for 35 minutes. So you may want to start checking it at 25 minutes. Your oven temperatures may vary, so you want to check it about 25 minutes. You want a toothpick or a knife to come out smooth in the center, but honestly it's going to be very moist when you take it out. It'll be delicious. I'll show you the finished product. Here are the lemon bars. I haven't cut them yet, of course. I just finished them with some powdered sugar. They are absolutely amazing, and honestly, it tastes like you spent all day working on them. If you want the recipe, seriously, it's a can of lemon cream and a box of Angel Food Cake Mix. So to go with our meal, I'm making fried squash from my daddy's garden and fresh Vidalia onions. Delicious. We live about an hour and a half from Vidalia. If you have the opportunity to purchase Vidalia onions, please do, because they are amazing and sweet. They are such a summer treat. Sometimes you can get Vidalia onions in the winter, but they're not grown in Vidalia. They're grown overseas. These are fresh from Vidalia, and they are amazing. And to go with our chicken, I'm going to make some carrots. And I'm making carrot squash and doing some instant mashed potatoes. So I'm going to come over here and show you my chicken. It is done and absolutely amazing. You can see the chicken has made its own juices. So I'm going to shred this up. So when my husband and the boys fix their plates, they can just have shredded chicken and put it over their mashed potatoes. So I'll show you the final product when the plates are fixed. And here is the final product. I'm serving it with biscuits on the side. And here are the lemon bars. Okay guys, don't ask me where I get my fine china, because it's a secret. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Have a blessed day.